Greetings true connoisseurs of classic vehicles. Today I invite you to a short trip through Mathis history. Mathis SA was an automobile manufacturer in Alsace that produced cars between 1910 and 1950. Founder Emile Mathis was born in Strasbourg and died in Geneva. Emile Mathis was a leading car dealer in Strasbourg, Alsace, handling Fiat, De Dietrich and Panhard Levasseur, among other makes from his Auto Mathis Palace. Two models were designed for him by the young Ettore Bugatti. Made at his Grafenstaden factory, he marketed them under the brand Hermes. They were Mercedes-like cars with chain drives. Let us learn about the fascinating evolution of the various models and major milestones in the fields of vehicle manufacturing. In addition, if you wish, you can support our channel by liking it or subscribing to Patreon. You will find the link in the description below the video.